Ascencion is a perfect place for turtle spotting. If you follow the Tortuga Trail or Turtle Trail, it will take you just 10 minutes to see some turtles.
I'm Shady, a traveler and Curacao expert. Let me show you around. Before you reach Landhuis Ascencion on weg naar Westpunt, there's a right turn that will take you to Boka Ascension. From there onwards, a variety of hiking trails await. I chose to do the Tortuga Trail. From the parking area, it is a 10-minute hike past Curacao's beautiful cacti to your final destination. Standing there and seeing the turtles peeking their head above water is a very unique experience. There are a variety of different turtles that can be spotted. Read the sign nearby to learn more about them. In total, I spotted 5 different turtles that day. Sadly enough, my camera couldn't capture all of them. It is one of those things you have to experience for yourself. By the way, turtles can also be spotted at other spots throughout the island. Boka is one of those places, but the probability of seeing one is the highest at Boka Ascension. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In return, I will continue showing you around Curacao.
Boka Ascension is a perfect place for